your speed. That was a couple of years ago, and now I'm revving up for the never and switching up gears. Got a couple of years to go. Here we go. As soon as you hear that go, Liverpool to Portsmouth, yeah, that chorus got the crowd screaming. I got the people screaming. Hear the strap, seatbelt, there it's back. Time to blow like I'm dynamo. No more disappearing act. I know you missed me, I missed you too. Sometimes that's what a miss will do. Like Tayo, I was cruising. Now it's time to take my steering back. One of the best to ever do it. A testament to this gang. And even in the wind I never blew it. I swayed but kept to my lane. They call me Fleetwood Mac. I'm a Mac with a fleet. Still getting royalties, no spoiler, but I spoil you me. I got the crowd screaming.
The world screaming KA's back. Yeah, it's official. Trumpets, please. No kicks, brother, this is the result. Slick Rick, bitch, the rulers here for shizzle. KA and Swag came over, blow the whistle. Music, you gotta show fit too. Paint these pictures so visual. MCs wanna come spit too, and girls wanna come and shake if so. I'm still speeding, you don't wanna meet me at the line. Rear view mirror, ain't a thing inside.
They tried to give me a ticket, but I ripped it like a raffle. Tell them people I am Mr. Derek Sack. Pedal to the metal on the level, I ain't gonna settle for anything less than gold. I ain't gonna meddle around about, end up and down and out, trying to build someone's a little giver, never had a ego. Running through the fields and the meadows of Paddy, yeah, now I wanna heal. With your pedal was able to make a fake boy, but I can never make a real boy hard to steal. I ain't gonna stop until I do a couple million, then I give him my number when I was told to do it, didn't get it back, I'm on the bill, get it fresh from the bag. Bob's your uncle, lights up, can feel it, because I've got the willpower, with the potential, and I've got the credentials, all of the essentials, when I get stressed from my beat.